Knuckles up. What's up, guys? We're here with Rob. We're checking out his Polaris. You guys take a look at this thing. Rob took a little spill about a year or so ago, man, and he ended up 8-10 feet up into a tree with this thing, just demolished it. Rob, tell us a little bit about your Polaris, man.
Was a brand new 2016 turbo. Had about 1,800 miles on it before I put it 8 feet in the air into a tree and destroyed every piece of plastic on it. So 85 pounds worth of garbage. So I've been slowly putting it back together. Finally got it all back up and running, and
I gotta tell you, Rob, what sticks out for me is your iPad. That controls everything in the car?
everything in the car, other than the ignition switch and four-wheel drive right now.
That is amazing. That is absolutely amazing.
Turn the
Light bar.
Turn the pumpers on. All right, come on.
There it goes. Wow. That is out of control, man. That's definitely an upgrade. Absolutely love the cage, love the build, man. Good looking car. Thank you. Let's try to keep it on 4 wheels. Tires up. Knuckles up. What's up, guys? We're coming back from Washington, man. We're out in the middle of nowhere, man, in no man's land. And we got Just and Lance. We run into these guys from Rugged Radio there, man. They're from our town, man. So we stopped, we said hello, man. Great people. Where are you guys coming from?
Hey, we just got back from the Lucas Oil Off-Road race in Reno at the Wild West Motorsports Park.
How'd you guys have a good time? Or?
We had a great time. I love the Lucas races.
Rain?
Yeah, it rained. It poured on us.
So a little delay, huh?
We ended up having to do racing until about midnight. So.
What time did you guys get back to your camp?
About 1.
That's a long night. That's how these guys.
Day.
These guys put the hours in, man. I know you guys have seen this guy before in some of the YouTube videos.
Yeah, it was great. We got to help a lot of racers. Obviously, we got race ops all set up and everything. The day went pretty smooth except for the rain. It's always bitching to go hang out and watch the races, and of course help all the crew out there.
And then we hook up with Knuckles Up.
Yeah, that's exactly
Walking
it.
in the middle of nowhere, we see a Rugged logo.
That's how the whole off-road thing works, man. It's all family, guys.
This is awesome.
Knuckles up.